Happy Rhyme Kids.
Pizza truck rolled down the street with a honk, making loud noises. Honk, honk, honk. Cheesy smell floated through the air. Kids ran outside from everywhere. Pepperoni danced in circles round. Sauce went splishy with a funny sound. Driver waved with a big bright grin. Hot fresh pizza, come on in! Boxes stacked up high and tall. Mozzarella stretched like a gooey wall. One slice flipped and almost flew. Caught by the driver, hoo hoo hoo! Truck kept rolling with a happy song. Honk, honk, honk all day long. When the moon came up, stars blinked bright. Pizza truck honked through the night. With a swishy tail, met shiny robots made of steel. Beep, beep, beep went robot crew, marching straight in a metal queue. Fox dug tunnels under trees, robots bumped into bumblebees. Clank went gears in jungle vines, robots tangled 10 by 9. Fox jumped high on a rocky top, robots slipped and flip, flip, flop. He pulled a vine, whoosh went swing, robots spun in a shiny ring. Jungle cheered hip, hip, hooray. Fox outsmarted them that day. Metal bots went home to dock. Fox relaxed on a sunny rock. Baby Will swam in the ocean blue. He heard tiny quacks calling, help us too. Little ducklings drifted away, lost in the waves so far from the bay. Whale swished his tail with a splash so wide, he hurried quickly to their side. Climb on my back, he said with cheer. Don't be afraid, I am right here. Ducklings wobbled but held on tight. Baby Will guided them left and right. Waves rolled high but he stayed strong, humming softly a rescue song. He brought them safe to the sandy shore. Mama Duck thanked him more and more. Now Baby Whale smiles with delight, saving his friends from morning to night. Dino Doodle loved donuts sweet. Chocolate and sprinkles were his favorite treat. He stacked them high in a wobbly pile, balancing carefully all the while. But slip went the plate with a sugary slide. Donuts rolled everywhere far and wide. Dino dashed with a speedy stomp, trying to catch them with a jump and chomp. One hit the wall with a sticky splat. One landed right on his funny hat. He laughed out loud at the messy sight, sprinkles shining in rainbow light. He cleaned them up with a happy cheer, promising more careful next time here. Now donuts rest on a steady tray. Dino enjoys them the safer way. Hamster dug with tiny paws, making tunnels without a pause. Left and right the dirt went fly, building rooms both low and high. A kitchen small and bedroom neat, tiny tunnels cool and sweet. He added windows made of glass, covered safely under grass. Friends came over one by one, exploring tunnels full of fun. They slid through halls with squeaky cheer, happy that their homes were near. Underground was warm and bright, cozy in the soft moonlight. Hamster smiled with proud little nose, in his burrowed home he chose. Monkey poured kernels into the tray. He flipped the switch in a silly way. Pop went one and pop went two, then pop, 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 it loudly blew. a sticky grin. Popcorn stuck to his furry chin. Friends came running from near and far, wondering what the booms all are. They scooped up popcorn in bowls so wide, crunching and munching side by side. Machine went quiet with a tiny ting. Monkey said, best snack ever, bing. Little chicks ran in fluffy line into the barn where corn would shine. They hid behind sacks stacked up tall, peeking out small and chirping all. Corn kernels rolled with a click-click sound, golden treasure all around. Farmer looked in and scratched his head. Where did those tiny chicks all spread? Chicks went cheap but soft and low, hiding where tall corn cobs grow. One chick sneezed in dusty hay, others giggled in chicky way. Farmer smiled at the tiny peep, found them hiding in corn so deep. Out they marched in a fluffy parade, back to the yard where sunshine stayed. Baby bear rode puddles brown, splashing mud all over town. His bicycle dripped from wheel to seat, sticky and messy from street to street. Mama said, let's wash it clean. Bear brought soap that smelled so green. Scrub went scrub on every tire, bubbles rose higher and higher. Water sprayed with a sparkling splash, mud slid off in a slippery dash. Bear wiped handles with extra care, polished the belt till it shone so fair. Soon the bicycle gleamed so bright, shiny and clean in morning light. Bear rang the bell with happy pride and zoomed away for a cleaner ride. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-O, but dinosaurs roamed to and fro. T-Rex stomped with a mighty thud, splish, splash, stomp in the mud. Triceratops munched on hay, Brontosaurus swayed all day. Pterodactyl swooped down low with the flappy flap hello. E-I-E-I roar so loud, Dino chorus proud and proud. MacDonald laughed with cowboy hat, never had farm animals like that. Eggs hatched open, crack, 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 tiny dinos running back. Safari farm, wild and free, old Mac